After nearly a decade of tension, China is buying Boeing jets again, and not just a few. A new deal could involve up to 200 aircraft immediately, with the potential to grow to a jaw-dropping 750 planes. This could be one of Boeing's biggest comeback moments ever. Watch until the end to really understand the full picture. Like and subscribe if you think that we deserve it.
Let's jump right into it.
Following high-level meetings between President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping, Boeing announced a major agreement that could reopen the Chinese market for the American aerospace giant. This would mark Boeing's first major Chinese aircraft order in almost 10 years, and Wall Street is paying very close attention. China reportedly agreed to purchase around 200 Boeing jets as part of an initial commitment. According to Trump, the deal could eventually expand to as many as 750 aircraft if negotiations continue positively. That's massive, because China is one of the world's biggest aviation markets, and Boeing has been largely locked out for years due to trade tensions, politics, and the fallout from the 737 MAX crisis. Now, Boeing may finally be getting back in. The company says this agreement is an initial commitment and expects additional orders could follow later. The reported aircraft include Boeing 737s and 777s powered by GE Aerospace engines. And if finalized, analysts estimate the deal could be worth somewhere between $17 and $25 billion. This is bigger than just airplanes. For Boeing, China represents a critical long-term growth market. Analysts believe China could need around 9,000 new aircraft by 2045 due to exploding travel demand. And Boeing has been losing ground to Airbus for years. So reopening China could help Boeing reclaim market share and strengthen its future revenue pipeline. It's also a huge political signal. Aircraft orders between the US and China often reflect diplomatic relationships as much as business fundamentals. In other words, this deal may signal a broader thaw in US-China trade tensions. Despite the huge headlines, Boeing stock actually dropped after the announcement. Why? Because investors were expecting even more. Reports suggested Boeing had been negotiating for as many as 500 aircraft initially, so the 200-plane commitment disappointed Wall Street. There are also concerns about whether the agreement will fully materialize, especially given ongoing geopolitical tensions and worries about US export restrictions. Still, if Boeing truly reopens the Chinese market after nearly a decade, this could become one of the most important aviation deals of the decade. The big question now is, will this deal actually expand to 750 jets, or is Wall Street getting ahead of itself again? Let me know in the comments. Are you bullish on Boeing after this China deal? And if you want more fast, high-impact finance breakdowns, make sure to subscribe.